WordPress peoples. In this video we are going to talk about new directive. So in my previous video I showed you two directives, WP context and WP text. If you are new to this video, I would recommend to start watching this playlist from the beginning so that you know what we are doing in this video. Otherwise continue watching. In this video I'm gonna show you new directive, which is WP class, which is used to add or remove class to an HTML element. So in my previous video I showed you that this is the custom interactive block plugin we have created, and then here I have added new interactivity block, and when we click on this button we change the text of this button. So this is my interactive block plugin. So let's quickly run the npm. So npm is start. Now I will open src render.php. So here I'm gonna add one more div, and I will add text BuntyWP. I'm gonna close div. Now I'm gonna use WP class directive. So how do we use that? So let's say we have to use data WP class, and now how I want. So after this directive we have to give two hyphens and then the class name you want to add as a class. So let's say I want to add this class named clicked. So what I want to do is that whenever I click this button, this div will get this class clicked. But whenever we want to click on this button, so for that first I'm gonna use the context again. So context dot click class. So this will be a true or false. So if this is true, then this class will be added, and if this is not true, this class will be removed. So initially I'm gonna say this is false. So click class will be false, so no class will be added to this div. So let me show you that. I'm gonna refresh this and I will inspect this. So currently there is no class attribute added to this div. Even if I click, it won't change. Why it is not changing the text, I'm not sure. Let's see. Click class false. Okay, now when I click this, I want to change context click class to true. So for that we will open view.js, and this is the we wrote on click function as well. I think that I forgot. Yeah, display alert. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna say data WP on click equals to actions display alert. Okay, so now it is working. Now when we click, this function will be called display alert. So here in the display alert, I will change context dot clicked class equals to true. Okay, now I'm gonna refresh this and pay attention to this element. So now I will click this button. So if you can see, class clicked is added. If I click back, it won't happen anything. So let's say when I click back, I want to remove this. So if context, then it will be false, else equals to true. Let's refresh this. So if I click this, clicked is added. If I click again, clicked is removed. So for that, let's say I want to add a background color for clicked. So what I would do is that on click class, click, I would say background color will be this, and let's say how it looks. So as you can see, in background it has added this color. Now if I click, background will be removed. So this is how the data WP class directive works. It's very simple. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.